Okay, this is just a reminder that got some speculation, estimation, and approximation. Okay, so when I'm not listening to disco music, sometimes I like to think about things, and I come across this idea. Um, so I was eating a burger the other day, and I was just wondering about the price, and I thought it was actually an alright price, and so I did some quick calculations in my head on compounding interest rates, and I've got a way of doing this in my head. I don't even need a piece of paper or a calculator. Um, so consider me an unreliable witness, but I remember that there was an ad on TV which had this little jingle that went combo, combo, combo. Um, and just on the top of my head, because where I remember that, where I lived at the time, I kind of think that was in 1995. And I remember that a combo meal at a burger restaurant cost $5. And this was pretty good because before the combo thing came out, if you just bought the burger and the drink or the burger and the fries, then you would end up with it costing about $5. And if you wanted burger, chips, and a drink, maybe it costs $7. So I kind of think of it as a $1 or $2 discount. But this is how my calculation works. What you do is you take the magical number 69 and divide it by the doubling time in years, and you'll be able to calculate this inflation rate. Um, yeah, so 69 is a special number. It's something to do with the natural logarithm. Anyway, so what you can quickly do is that if that was about 25 years, 69 divided by 25 gives you 2.8%. And if it's too hard to do the number with 69, you can just do it with 70, because the difference is so tiny it doesn't really matter if all you're doing is trying to get an estimation or approximation. It's because you are trying to speculate something. So yeah. Now to put it another way, second rule of thumb: accept a close approximation when people pay you back some money that they borrowed from you. Say, for example, you lend your friend $70 and you see them 6 days later and they say, "Hey, I think I can give you back that money that you lent to me." They look in their pocket and they find $69. They've got $60 in their wallet and $9 in change. And you're like, great, you should accept back that $69 and forgive the $1, because you're looking at like 1.3%, and that's far less than the cup of coffee that you might just buy for your friend anyway. So big deal. You help your friend out. It costs you 1.3%. Doesn't matter. Okay, there's the idea. Getting most of your money back is better than getting none of your money back. So, back to my calculations. But remember, I said that the normal combo price is now about $13, and it's been about 5 years since the combo cost about $10. I kind of remember you could walk into your favorite burger place, plonk down $10 on the counter, get yourself some chips, a soda, and a burger. And so 20 years to go from $5 to $10, that means an inflation rate of 3.5%. 70 divided by 20 equals 3.5. So I thought this was a little bit weird, because when I look on the Reserve Bank of New Zealand website, you can discover that you can put in your year and what quarter, and so I went from Q3 of 1995 to Q3 of 2015, and I found that the inflation rate was 2.1%, which I find totally suspicious, and that's something to do with the content of the standard basket of goods, which is the thing that people think that the Reserve Bank people think you always buy. It's got some amount of money for rent or mortgage payments, some amount of money for petrol, some amount of money for various home expenses, power and gas and stuff, and then it's got the composition of food and things like that. So that's the basket of goods, and while some things have become amazingly cheap, so if you just go to any big store, go to a big box discount store, you'll find some things are amazingly cheaper, like TVs are just so cheap these days. And computers have gone down in price, that kind of stuff. But things that you actually need to stay alive, like food and paying rent, they seem to have gone up. And so kind of feel that my combo meal is more related to that food thing. So oh yeah, I've got one more idea. People should be taught approximate maths in school. Why? Because approximate maths are better than no maths. If you're trying to solve a problem and you can't work out even the method to do a calculation, then you're going to get just terrible results. So if I was teaching a maths syllabus, I'd have a segment in approximating volumes and quantities and costs. That's just what I'd do. All right. So anyway, what's the takeaway? A double beef patty burger, chips, and a litre of cola. No, hang on. Learn quick maths and check against the official data. And 69 divided by the doubling time gives you the compounding interest rate. Or another way of putting that is 69 divided by the interest rate gives you the doubling time for earning interest on your money saved in the bank. Anyway, that's my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. And that was just something interesting that I thought about the other day when I was eating my burger and chips. Oh, my channel. My channel is Daryl Talks About New Zealand. Please like and subscribe. It would be super helpful if you subscribe. I've got some other videos that are a bit like this, sort of same format, but mostly I've got a lot of stuff about electric cars and other technological bits and pieces. Thanks for watching.